Welcome.
Hindi pa yata ano yan. Hindi pa naka ano ba? Ano yun? Noise reduction charts.
Hello. Ulit. Welcome sa ating BL.
At CDTL. Yes, ito na. Mabilisan lang daw to sabi niyo.
So, ang ating title for today is Yochina Koiwo Doshio.
Ay, parang ano yun ito English?
What to
wala
do
pa.
with the child
Sige, go.
Yochina Koiwo Doshio. So, yan siya. Yan ang kanyang cover. So, what to do with this childish love? So, summary. Haruto Sakurano is a lonely boy who has been surviving on his own since his mother abandoned him. Too small and weak to defend himself from sexual assault and constantly discriminated against for being an Omega. Haruto begins prostituting himself to save money to move out of town. Then one day, he meets a boy named Takagi whose calm, non-judgmental nature slowly begins filling the void in his heart. Haruto's fear and self-loathing keep him from expressing the love he feels, but Takagi's gentle care and persistence brings them emotionally and physically closer together. Warmth and tenderness begins to replace Haruto's pain and loneliness. But how can Takagi convince himself that he truly is worthy of being loved?
So, madrama yan.
Slightly madrama siya. So, bale, ang unang meet nila, nasa lighthouse siya. And then he was giving a blowjob to someone.
Okay.
So, nasa lighthouse sila. Well, sort of lighthouse. Pero nasa edge siya ng wharf.
Okay.
Tapos dumating si Takagi. Nagkataka si Takagi ganyan. Nagdala kasi Takagi ganyan. Tapos binuksan niya yung pinto kasi akala niya may something lang na may nakabukas. Tapos nandun siya, si Sakurano, nag-busy sa adult guy. So,
Yan. Sige, go lang.
kami. Nag-busy sa adult guy. Tapos parang, nagsabi niya sorry, and then umalis na siya.
Okay.
Tapos yung pala, itong si Takagi, transfer sa school nila. So, syempre,
sacrifice the short plan?
oo.
Okay.
Tapos syempre,
So, ano yan? College? High school?
high school. Like,
Senior?
senior. Okay. So, senior high
Tama ba?
school. Oo. So, senior high school. And then, pagpasok na gano'n ni Takagi, so, syempre, yung mga females na chika-chika sa kanya, like, you've been in Tokyo, did you meet anyone, blah, 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 did you meet anyone famous, blah, 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 ganyan.
Famous?
So, kasi sa Tokyo daw siya nakatravel, nakakita daw po siya ng celebrity or something like that.
Okay. Again.
Tapos, dahil feeling a bit awkward siya dahil niya sa nakita ni Takagi before.
Okay.
Nagtangka siyang lumabas ng classroom during homeroom.
Simula pa lang. Okay.
Tapos, tinanong siya ni Takagi kung anong pangalan niya. Kasi sinabi niya, Hibiki Sakurano.
Yun yung pangalan niya talaga?
Okay. Sabi ng mga girls, don't talk to him because he's a prostitute. He has sex with whoever, blah, 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 something like that. So, tapos sabi nung kinalaunan, parang nilapitan pa din siya ni Takagi na
Friendly siya.
Oo, sabi ni Takagi, I won't believe any rumors I hear unless you tell me.
Okay.
So, he's like that. So, sinabi niya yung side niya na kaya lang naman niya ginagawa yun kasi gusto niya makaipon. Tapos umalis na ng taon na yun.
Okay.
Kasi everyone's discriminating against him. Hindi siya makamatulong trabaho kasi mag-a-apply pa lang siya. Yung disdain nasa
Omegaverse ba to?
Sorry, Omegaverse.
Kaya pala, okay. Kaya ba't ako may disdain din pala Omegaverse?
He's
Okay.
an Omega.
Okay, get it.
And his mother is also an Omega. And iniwan siya nung nanay niya, nung 15 siya.
Okay.
Kasi pinanganak din siya nung nanay niya, nung 15 din yung nanay niya.
So, okay.
So, sabi nung nanay niya, since you're already a teenager, and I was the same age
Kaya mo na
when
yan.
I had you,
Bala ka na.
You can do it. You're fine on your own. So, niliasan siya ng nanay niya.
Okay,
Sabi
weird.
ng nanay niya na, I found love. I found someone I'm going to live with in Tokyo. So,
Okay.
inuwanan siya.
Okay.
So, nakakuha naman siya ng monthly stipend sa government.
Oo.
So, he can live on his own. Doon sa bahay nila.
Pero hindi enough.
Hindi.
To go away.
Oo, to go away. Hindi enough. Kasi kailangan niya syempre ng funds. Ganyan. So, parang, mabait itong si Takagi. He never really listened to the rumors. And parang everyday they are together, ganyan. Tapos, yung isang babae,
Sumana mukha mo, sabi masama ugali itong babae to.
kasi, since parang karamihan sa mga girls sa classroom, aiming for Takagi. Kasi itong si Takagi, anak ng may-ari ng
Tapos
ospital.
alpha pa.
Hindi.
Beta lang siya?
Beta siya. He's a beta. But then, yung hospital na nag-iisang hospital sa kanila, pag-aaral ng pamilya niya. So, kaya sila umuwi ng province is because yung tatay niya is the one going to inherit the hospital. So, the tatay is also a doctor.
Eh, yung tatay alpha?
Hindi, beta sila pamilya.
Talaga? Okay.
So, dito sa storya na to, walang alphang pinakitaan.
Okay. So, morely beta.
Beta and so, and then yung storya pa na sinabihan siya ng babae na, everyone you meet gets ruined. And then parang, you should stop talking to Takagi because
he would get ruined as well.
He'll also get ruined because of you. Nung una, sabi niya naman na, I don't love, kasi tinanong siya nung babae na, do you love Takagi? Ganyan. Sabi, no, I love him, but only as a friend. And then nung tinanong siya gano'n, napaisip na siya na parang,
if meron ba akong feelings nga. Okay.
Gagalitan sa itong babae kung hindi niya sinabi, di ba?
Hindi ma-realize sana. Di thank you sa kanya.
No, hindi na rin.
Semi-thank you.
Tapos, nung they always spend time dun sa bahay na nila ngayon. Kasi ang hilib sa loan. Tapos nung unang beses sila na nagstay sa bahay, he offered na gupitan ng buhok itong sinabi. Kasi he cuts his own hair. Hindi, sabi niya na yung barbershop sa town nila, hindi nakikinig.
Ako anong gusto mo. Susunod yung gusto niya.
Oo. They always cut short, whatever, something like that.
Okay.
So, syempre, nakasave ng money, so they always spend time together, ganyan. Tapos, sinabi na rin niya sa nanay niya na he's spending time sa bahay ni Hibiki.
Walang problema yung magulang.
Chill nga yung magulang niya eh.
Kahit na hospital owner?
Chill yung parents niya. Tapos, binibigyan siya ng side dishes to eat with, kasi sabi na lagi siyang ginugulo sa bahay, ganyan. So, tapos, eto pala, ang sister pala, kaya ganito sa kanya yung babae, kasi may jowa siya some time ago. Tapos, ni-rape si
babae?
Si Sakurano. Si Hibiki.
Ni-rape
nung jowa ng babae.
Okay.
Tapos, ang sinisisi, syempre, of course,
Siya pa din kasi omega siya.
kasi hindi daw makontrol, babag ganyan. So, sa isip-isip ito ni Hibiki, ako na nga yung ni-rape, ako na nga yung sinaktan, pero kasalanan ko pa rin, kasi ako yung umila.
So, yun na, gano'n naman kadalasan sa world nila.
Unfortunately, same thing sa world.
Tatun sa balikat.
So, nice. And then, so parang it's incredibly unfair yung thinking niya gano'n. Kaya, sa ngayon, he's aiming na to not have that happen again. So, gusto niya umalis. Tapos, ang pagkakasabi niya pa na, hindi, ang situation pa is one time, inabural siya ng hit niya na since beta itong si amoy niya. Pero hindi siya
super lang ang effect.
Hindi siya affected. So parang sinabi niya gusto niya amoy ganyan. Tapos may walang nangyari sa kanila but sabi I should help you or something like that. So tinulungan and then the next day, so parang ito si Takagi, Ay, hindi. Si Hibiki, sabi niya parang medyo awkward yung feeling niya. Hindi niya alam kung parang i-grade ito si Takagi.
Oo, syempre nga naman. Hindi niya alam yung
Pero-
magiging reaction niya.
Chill lang sa Takagi.
Oo, parang wala lang sa kanya.
Oo, like, good morning. Usual. Usual lang, ano.
Gusto ko yung ganyan, no? Flat yung dito, tapos ko yun. Nakahanap na ako doon sa Robinson sa taas.
Oo.
Post up saglit. Gumagawa sila nung ganun. Half ribbon, tas half firm. Cheapest is 3.9, most expensive is 7.9. Kaya daw mahal, or umabot na ganun. Kasi magkaiba daw ng gamot na ginagamit. Plus, bago nila gawin, i-check pa with i-consult pa with the stylist kung pwede. Eh, yung buhok ko dahil nga na, like, sige, papahaba muna uli ako ng hindi na i-bleach. Tapos papagawa ko. Yung ganyan. I like it like that. Anyways, continue. Sorry na.
So, usual pa rin yung treatment sa kanya, ganyan. And then, one time, sinabi niya na kasi sa clients niya na
Hindi na siya.
he's gonna stop doing it. May isang nag-message na, you can't do that. So, you should
Still service me,
Oo,
ganyan.
ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos, one time, sabi, nag-message sa kanya, meet me at the same location at this time, blah, blah, blah. And then, nagkita siya, teacher.
Teacher sa school nila?
Sa school nila.
Alam niya.
Alam.
Ay.
Sensei nga, sabi niya, Sensei, I can't do it anymore. As I told you, I'm not doing it anymore. Tapos sabi, is it because of Takagi, blah, 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 ganyan. Have you already had sex with him? Ganyan. Sabi niya pa nga, sabi pa nung sensei, I am fine with you having sex for money with others. But,
No feelings.
sabi niya,
Kasi may gusto sa teacher.
hindi gusto sa kanya. Dati, syempre, ginahasa siya as usual. Tapos,
Ang sad lang talaga na
walang repercussion. Parang, they, unfortunately, kasi sa karamihan, sa
Omegaverse parang normal sa kanila na mangyari.
walang like, because they're an alpha, they're given a leeway.
Oo. That you can do
unfortunately.
things.
And
but
even sa beta, they still have a leeway kasi
hindi sila Omega. It's as simple
Hindi,
as that.
well, yes, but then, kasi, ang laging sisi is Omega.
Kaya nga.
Kasalanan ni Omega siya.
Kasi Omega siya eh. Kasalanan niya yan. Yun ang
Hindi
nga
siya-
lumalabas.
Hindi sa tulad ng ibang world na very strict ang rules na they need to protect Omega.
Oo.
So, they have
May ganun
laws.
bang rule? May ganun.
They have laws that blah, blah, blah. But it's
Wait,
very...
kasi if you think about it, dapat nga protektan si Omega kasi sila lang yung kaya magbuntis.
Exactly.
Pero parang baliktad sa ibang worlds, no? Anyways, ang ganda ng buhok ko ngayon. Ba't ganun?
So, di
Di ba, ang ganda ng pagkakakulot niya?
ang ginawa ng teacher, lahat ng gamot niya, tinanggal sa packet, tinapon.
Paano?
So ngayon, he had to skip school dahil nga doon sa heat niya. He had to skip school. Pinuntaan siya ni Takagi. And then nakita ni Takagi meron siyang mga marks dito, ganyan. Ngayon, the super in heat nga ito si tapos wala siyang gamot. May nangyari na sa kanila. And then that time, nung pagpunta niya kasi doon, nakapatay yung phone kasi walang charge. Sinarge niya bago may nangyari sa kanila. Tapos, nung kinabukasan, pag open niya ng phone, naglabasan yung message ng sensei. So sabi ng sensei na, I'm sorry for my violent behavior. Don't do it. Blah, blah, blah. Since you're blah, blah, blah. Tapos, usual excuse. Nakasalanan mo. So, pinuntahan niya yung teacher. Ngayon, nung pinuntahan niya yung teacher,
Sino
sabi
pumunta?
niya, si Takagi. Pinuntahan niya yung teacher.
Paano nakabasa ng message eh?
Oo.
Okay.
So, sabi ni Takagi na, I have your text messages. I have your DNA.
May proof siya, oo
I
nga.
have your DNA and I have yung proof sa katawan ni and all the records are in our hospital. So, if you ever come near Hibiki again, I'm going to report you.
Kasi pwede naman pala.
So, hindi, parang binigyan pa rin second chance eh.
Oo nga.
So, hindi na, I'm reporting you right now.
Pero ang point ko pala, pwede naman palang i-report. It's
Pwede
not like
nga.
it's not.
Hindi siya black and white na
Oo.
pagbibigyan. may ibang world na gano'n, may ibang world na hindi. Pero,
So, ibig sabihin, if somebody actually reports it, pwedeng may mangyari.
kaya lang kasi, depende sa police.
Oo, yun na nga. Hindi, dahil ang magre-report is high and mighty. So, may
Possible.
possible na ano.
May chance yun,
Gets,
ano.
oo. Gets.
And then,
So, parang politika lang din dito sa Pilipinas.
wala tayong magagawa dyan, unfortunately.
Pag mahirap ka, sorry ka na lang.
Ganun na nga.
Mm.
And then, ang ano pa dyan, nagkaroon parang ng a little bit of scuffle.
So, lumabang pa yung teacher, ah.
Eh, para siguro kasi nung inaano niya na una, but whatever, something. So, pinuntahan niya si Sakurano again, si Hibiki.
Mm.
And then,
Bahay uli. Okay.
siyempre nakita may baka siya. Ngayon, napalagyan lang kasi sa Lula School. Baka sa lubo nila teacher. So, kinabahan niya si Hibiki.
Siyempre.
Sabi niya, tuloy Takagi, don't worry, he's never gonna do anything to you again. Tapos sabi niya na, did he do that? So, parang, did you
Do something.
Oo, did
Say
you fight with
something,
him? Ganyan, sabi niya, ganun. It's nothing, blah, blah, blah. It's already gone anyway, so, anuhan mo na. And then, ang unang yan, okay, so, parang, nilet go niya. However, nung habang naglalakad na sila, may narinig siyang
Something.
nagtutu. Yung mga rumors ba na parang ini-slander na itong si Takagi na it's obviously they've done it together, blah, 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 nag-sex na sila, ganyan. So parang sinisiraan na si Takagi. Doon siya hindi siya nagalit. Doon siya napag-isip-isip na tama.
Na tama, sira niya nga si Takagi.
Oo, na tama yung sinabi ni ate girl.
Oo.
So ngayon, ang ginawa niya, lumaya siya. So, nagsulat siya.
Non-existent communication na naman.
Nagano naman siya, nagsulat siya ng letter.
Ganon din yun.
So, nagsulat siya ng letter. And then sinabi niya doon na parang ayokong
Pinuhin yung
masira
mo.
ka.
Masira ka
Yeah.
ka ng tao. Yan, alam ko na yun eh. Tapos,
pag uwi ni Takagi from school, kasi hindi siya pumasok eh. Pag uwi ni Takagi,
magkasama sila nung narinig niya yung rumors, no?
oo.
Okay.
Kahit mo na si Takagi.
Oh, sa kanya wala lang.
Pagdating ni Takagi sa bahay, sinabi nung nanay na
May letter siya from...
Hibiki came. He actually left you some rice balls. And
Ang cool ng parents yung ano.
he left you some rice balls and some donuts.
Mm.
So let's eat that together, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, and he also has a letter. Di binasa niya yung letter.
Di kanipa siya.
Kanipa siya na yan. Kasi
Sure naman yun eh.
last train na eh. Naabutan niya sa last train. Tapos doon nag-confess sa kanya na, I'm doing this not because I pity you or anything like that. I like you. So sabi naman ito ni Hibiki, no, that's not possible.
Marunong ka pa sa akin.
You're just,
Pitying me.
and you're mistaken. Di, hinilan na siya. Di ganyan, oh.
Pointing to north dito.
So, let go sa
Lakad.
hindi, hinabol
So, maliit na lalaki lang pala.
Oo.
Parang bata.
Mm.
Kaya pala child.
Sige.
Pero hindi, kasi isa matangkad oh.
High school pa lang sila eh. So, yun.
Same grade.
Oo. Para silang graduating. You might wonder of again. But it's not like that. Blah, 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 blah. Kasi ito, sabi niya, were you planning to abandon everything? Your house, your plants?
Yes. Ako na
So, sabi niya, as soon as I found accommodation, I was planning to take them with me. Yung plants niya. Kasi very precious yung plants niya. Kasi parang iniwan niya nung nanay. Ay, well, hindi. Isa yun sa mga hobby niya na talagang kinakaingat-ingatan niya. And sabi niya, how about me? So, are you not coming for me? Sabi nga ni Takagi. Si Takagi. Ang ganda yung pagkakadrawing, di ba?
Pero lumang style na.
Oh, syempre.
All style na.
So, why would you say that? Don't say that. Being separated from Takagi as if I could do that. So, it was very hard for me.
So, yan ang ending.
So, sabi, I like you, Haruto.
Pero ano, parang late na kasi. Yung late ng drawing sa kanya. Parang siyang baby to. Parang elementary yung height.
Yan eh. Oh, maliit lang dahil.
Maliit
siya. And sabi niya na,
Ang lihit na height. Ang ano nung height difference nila. Okay naman, but ang laki ng height difference nila. Nikita. Parang ganun. Hindi kaya. Basta yan, maliit.
Oh, yeah.
Yan.
So, yeah. Hindi sabi niya na, I like you, Haruto. That's why being worried on my own will, willfully taking care of you, and willfully coming to stop you.
So, own
I
accord
like you.
niya. His
I
own
meant
accord.
romantically or passionately. So, sabi niya ganyan, I don't have that value. I don't have that value to be worthy of receiving such feelings.
Mhm.
So, yun talagang, ano,
Yun talaga problema sa mga Omega, no? Ang baba ng tingin nila sa sarili.
and
Because that's what society
Oo.
dictates.
say, so, you're wrong. I can't believe this. Takagi is such a nice person. You're just misunderstanding that. You can't be relieved that we're both guys. So, parang, syempre,
So, sa kanya, big
oo.
deal din.
Oo, na.
Pareho
At
lang.
saka, Omega pa siya, lalaki
Oo.
siya. So, yun yung ano sa kanya.
Sa isa, walang
So,
pake. Yung parents mo, walang pake.
Oo, sabi niya, wanting to save you,
Si Rogue, no?
wanting to save you or protect you, if possible, such feelings as wanting to make you smile. I mean, there is a limit to that or something. Is that different? Can you call all that love? So sabi niya ganun. So, I don't want to be met with those eyes anymore. I told myself, I want to protect you. I'm also happy being together with Haruto. Haruto pala, hindi Hibiki. Hindi ko.
Simula, hibik ito na hibik.
Haruto sa Quran.
Pasensya niyo na ganyan talaga siya sa pangalan. Hindi talaga natatanda.
So,
Siguro ako sa Corano din, mamaya.
oo, sa Quran talaga. Tapos yun, and they become lovers, ganyan.
So, wala talagang pake yung parents. Okay lang
And
talaga.
ito na, side story to. So, may nangyari sa kanila and all that. Yan. First time visiting niya,
Sa
bahay
parents.
nila, as lovers na.
Ah.
So, yun nga, ito, pinakain sila ng lunch ba to?
Kung ano man yan.
Hindi, pinakain sila ng dinner. Tapos, busog na busog siya ng bongga-bongga. Yan. Sabi, I ate too much, blah, blah, blah. So, kinain niya kasi lahat. Yan, ganyan ang pwesto na ng dalawa. So, di nag-uusap sila. And then, yan, labi-dabi silang ganyan. Tapos, biglang pumasok yung nanay. Hey, you two, I peeled some apples. So, would you like to? And then, umatas yung nanay. Fu, well, oh my, I'm sorry for interrupting you guys. Take your time. Yun, di okay na.
Ang cool talaga ng nanay.
Tapos na nag-aalis na sila. Nag-uusap sila. Pero napag-usapan nila yung nanay. So, parang, she raised me, when she gave birth to me when she was 15, but she raised me as a girl. She never really complained about anything. And then one day,
yung umalis.
yun. And then one day, your mother is now going to move out because your mother has someone she likes. I live in Tokyo. I'll be fine. I gave birth to you when I was just a teenager. I'll
You
live
should
on
be
my
fine.
own. So Haruto, my Haruto, please live as you like. Take care.
Parang balon lang yun, no? Parang
Sabi
bro.
niya na, she doesn't hate the fact that she was left by his mom. Pero sabi niya
Hindi naman bad yung living to begin with. Pero still, a 15-year-old, do you want?
sabi niya na, parang, he did not
Hate the mom.
hate the mom. Pero parang sa kanya kasi na, sad lang siya. Kasi he's
Iniwanan
always
siya.
alone.
Pero in the first place, buti nga nagpaalam pa eh.
No, he's always alone. But saka pinahal talaga siya ng mongga-mongga na niya.
Kaya lang, iba lang yung way of thinking ng nanay.
Tapos yan, kaya may magkikis silang ganyan. Sabi, yung tatay.
Tatay naman.
So, Hirayuki ko na, bought cake. Do you want to eat it? Hinotokpon. Do you like it? Sabi, I'm sorry for interrupting you. Take your time.
Napaka-cool ng parents niya. Diyos ko. Sana all may ganong parents sa
Tapos
mundo
ito.
na yan.
Okay na sila. Summer break to eh. May second high school pa lang sila.
Hindi pa pala graduating. Oo, kasi kung summer break, graduate na sila. No?
Summer break to. Tapos yung back in school na sila. Tapos, kasanayan na nila kasi mag-kiss every time. May nasa school sila, yan. Yung nakakita.
Yung babae.
Yung babaeng
Oo, yung machuchu.
yung galit sa kanya.
Well,
Di, okay na. Yun na yung pinaka-ending.
It's
So,
nice.
is it nice? The phone.
Cool ng parents.
Oh, yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko din, yung parents. Kasi, it's very,
So yung teacher, malamang alpha yun, no?
no, he's a beta.
Beta din, pero ganun.
Kaya sabi nga,
So, sadyang masama lang ugali
Sino
niya.
naman naman? Sabi nga nung teacher na, if I were an alpha, I've already beaten you. Sama talaga ugali ng teacher.
So, sadyang bad person siya.
Tapos ngayon, sabi ni Tita Kagi, I'm also a beta, but unfortunately, I can't do much for your heat, but I'll always be with you. So,
It's nice.
it is nice, especially, kasi very non-judgmental nga, as sabi doon sa very non-judgmental. Kasi yun yung kinalakihan niya eh.
Oo.
Yung environment na kinalakihan niya sa tatay niya, sa nanay niya, obviously. Di ba?
So, ang cool nga ng parents.
So,
I aspire to be that kind of, semi-kind of that parent. Hindi super, semi lang.
so parang, it is nice na ganun
Oo.
yung,
Napaka-open ng parents.
so,
Bihira kasi siya sa Omegaverse, eh, no?
unfortunately. Kahit na yung hindi Omegaverse, remember yung yung magkaiba sila ng landas, na pupunta sila na Shangri-La.
Ah, yeah, that one.
Sad yun.
Oh, he has to choose to be normal.
Ito,
Yeah.
very nice, very calming.
Ano ang title nun? Hindi yun yung live eh. Basta yun. Yung may live action din. May live action yun yung discussion natin nun.
Talaga ba? So,
Hindi ko natandaan.
medyo disappointing lang, of course, yung world mo. And then, kasi kahit na-rape ka, sisi ang sayo.
Oh, hindi. Kasi yun ang common yan sa world na yan. No? Napaka-common ng ganong.
So, yeah, but then, I like, hindi ko lang gusto yung fact na walang repercussion
Oo.
na pinakita. But
But at least they did something.
oo.
Takagi din something.
So,
Kahit pa paano.
unfortunately,
Mapapalampas mo yun. But sadly, sa world nila ganun talaga. So there.
that's all for RBI. See you.
Bye.